Seems easy, but trust me, more than 80% of the people fail to solve this. If you think I am boasting, then this is the main expansion using which this question can be solved. Try yourself and drop your answer in the comment. So, hello everyone, welcome to solve this algebra Olympiad math problem. So, first of all, we are given that a square minus b square is equal to 4 and the product of ab is equal to 2. So, after seeing this expansion, the first expansion that comes to our mind is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. When we square both sides, we get 4 times 4 because the value of a square minus b square is 4. So is equal to a plus b ka whole square times a minus b whole square. So it gives 16 is equal to a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. Now what we are going to do is we are going to put this value of either a plus b ka whole square or either a minus b ka whole square. So a plus b ka whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab and a minus b ka whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. From this expansion we get a square plus b square is equal to a plus b ka whole square minus of 2ab. So when we put the value of a square plus b square here, we get a minus b ka whole square is equal to uh, a plus b whole square minus 2ab and this minus 2ab. So we get a minus b ka whole square is equal to a plus b ka whole square minus of minus 2ab which is minus of 4ab. Now when we put this value of a minus b square here in this our equation number 1, then we get a plus b ka whole square times a minus b is same as a plus b ka whole square minus 4ab and is equal to here writes is 16. Now let a plus b ka whole square is equal to x. So when we put this value here, we get x times x minus 4ab is equal to 16. But the value of ab, we are given the value of ab which is equal to 2. So this become x into x minus 4 into 2. 4 into 2, ab value is 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. So x into x minus 8 is equal to 16. Expanding this, we get x square minus of 8x and is equal to 16, or x square minus of 8x minus of 16 is equal to 0. Now using the Sri Dharamcharya rule, which says x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So what is the value of a? A is here. We are not talking about this value of a and b. We are talking about here as per this quadratic equation. So value of a is the coefficient of a, x square. This is a. This is going to be our b, coefficient of x, and c is our numerical term. So on putting values here, we get x is equal to minus of b, which is minus of minus 8, plus minus under root of b square is minus of 8 square, minus 4 times a is our nothing but 1. A is our 1. So 1 and times minus of 16. Minus 4 times 1 minus of 16 over 2 times 1 is 2. So it gives 8 plus minus under root of 64, minus minus is plus, so 64 plus 64 over 2. Now on further simplification, this gives x is equal to 8 plus minus under root of 64 plus 64 is 2 times 64 over 2. Root of m dot n is equal to root m times root n. So using this we get here x is equal to 8 plus minus root of 2 times root of 64 over 2 is equal to 8 plus minus 8 root 2, 64 square root over 2. Now when we take 2 as common from the above term, or dividing both numerator and denominator by 2, we get x is equal to 4 plus minus 4 root 2, or when we take 4 common, we get x is equal to 4 times 1 plus minus root of 2. So now either x is equal to 4 times 1 plus root 2, or x is equal to 4 times 1 minus root of 2. So we have got the value of x. So x, but our x was a plus b square. So a plus b square is equal to either 4 plus 4 into 1 plus root 2. So from this we get taking a square root both side, we get a plus b is equal to root of 4 times 1 plus root 2, which is also equal to 2 times 1 plus root of 2. We have taken 4 out of the root. Or other value of a plus b का whole square was a plus b का whole square is equal to 4 times 1 minus root of 2. So taking a square root both side again, we get a plus b is equal to a square root of 4 times 1 minus root of 2, which is same as a plus b is equal to 2 root 1 minus root 2. So this is our required value of a plus b. Hope you got the solution.